Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Lexmark device. I have Lexmark NB2236i, and now I'm gonna show you how to change toner darkness on this printer. So firstly, scroll down in your home screen menu and find settings here. Then choose device and find here echo mode. Click on it. Here choose print. If you want to set up darkness for the print, you can set up darkness for the print and for the copy. So you can set up darkness for the print. Here find toner darkness and choose light, normal or dark. I will use normal, for example. And for copy, you can set up it to choose just darkness, and here you need to choose darkness between 1 and 9. So choose darkness. I will use normal darkness, so it's 5, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.